Let's touch on the connection of the control unit for shutter. We have 230 at the first two terminals, line volts. Then we have on the other three terminals open, common, and close, which are the three phases of the motor here on these terminals. We will connect exclusively the three cables of the motor. Then we have a safety contact. And then we have on the last two terminals the courtesy light or flashing light optionally, one or the other. Let's go to terminal block 2. On terminal block 2, we have first two terminals, 12 volts. Raised to connect our photocells. Then we have the D, so the fourth input, which is the common. It will serve as a common contact for both the photocell and for the start. Obviously, once we have this control unit, let's remember that if we need to connect a button, we will go with contact clean between D and E. So without voltage, NO contact normally open, this contact can function. Step by step, it can function as a presence man based on the given setting. Fundamental thing, never connect the button to parallel to the motor wires. It is the control unit that manages opening, closing, and stop from the normally open contact button when we have finished the installation. If we are not using the photocells, we will need to bridge the C and D, so photocell and common with a normally closed contact bridge.